large family in this household. We have to store and preserve a lot of food to get through the winter months because we're not going to find fresh food. Now I'm going to prepare the cabbage that's coming in fast through the garden. I'm cutting the cabbage up, and this is getting added into a nice crock because by fermenting it, we can enable it to last over the winter months. Cut up sauerkraut, and as this cabbage fills the crock, I just take my fist and throw a couple of punches into it, just enough to bruise up the leaves, and then I can add a layer of salt every once in a while from my salt pig and add another layer of cabbage. And this is how I'm going to make sauerkraut. I can do this quickly, easily, with all of the abundance coming in from the garden, and it will feed our family through the winter.